Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best vise for drill press that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Rolin Vise Drill Press Vise 4-inch light-duty workbench tools. The Rolin Vise stands out as an excellent choice for hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts who need a reliable light-duty vise. With its 4-inch jaw width and 4.33-inch maximum opening capacity, you'll find it accommodating for most standard workpieces. Built with gray casting iron and featuring hardened steel jaws, this vise delivers durability for your woodworking, metalworking, and drilling tasks. You'll appreciate its versatility when handling sewing projects or when you need assistance with gluing operations. The vise installs easily on your workstation and works particularly well with drilling and milling machines, making it a practical addition to your workshop setup. Moving on at number 4, we have the MYTEC Drill Press Vise. Professional craftsmen seeking efficiency will appreciate MYTEC's innovative quick-release drill press vise. The one-click positioning system lets you clamp and release workpieces in a second, while the locking mechanism prevents accidental jaw slippage. Built from high-grade cast steel with hardened jaws, this 4.5-pound vise delivers impressive 1,120 pounds of clamping force. You'll get a 3-inch jaw width and nearly 3-inch opening capacity, perfect for both woodworking and metalworking tasks. The corrosion-resistant spray coating guarantees durability, while universal compatibility means it'll fit most drill presses. Just remember to oil the screw periodically for smooth operation. At number 3, we have the Yost Vises LDP V6 Drill Press Vise. Ideal for both hobbyists and experienced craftsmen, Yost's LDP V6 Drill Press Vise delivers exceptional value with its 6-inch jaw width and cast iron construction. You'll appreciate its 5.75-inch jaw opening and 1-inch throat depth, making it versatile for various projects. This portable vise features textured jaws and a secure swivel base lock. Operating it is straightforward. Turn the handle counterclockwise to open, place your workpiece, and rotate clockwise until snug. Don't over-tighten to prevent damage. With Yost's century-long reputation since 1908 and industrial standard compliance, you're getting a reliable tool backed by a 1-year warranty and 90-day return policy. At number 2, we have the Wilton Low-Profile Drill Press Vise. Experienced craftsmen seeking precision and durability will appreciate Wilton's LP4 Drill Press Vise. This low-profile design offers 4-inch jaw width and opening, with hardened V-groove jaws that securely hold round objects both vertically and horizontally. You'll find the fine-grained cast iron construction and black oxide Acme threaded screw deliver consistent clamping force. At 7.4x 6.4x 3 inches and weighing 11.6 pounds, it's perfectly sized for drilling, tapping, and reaming tasks. Backed by a lifetime warranty, the LP4's superior fit and finish have earned it a 4.7-star rating from users who value its smooth operation and reliable performance. And finally, at number 1, we have the WEN Drill Press Vise. Hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts seeking a reliable drill press vise will find the WEN 423 to be a solid choice. This 3-inch cast iron vise opens up to March 1st, 2010 inches with a 1-inch throat depth, making it suitable for various materials including wood, metal, and plastic. You'll appreciate its heavy-duty construction, weighing 4.86 pounds, which provides stability during drilling operations. The universal design features 4 mounting slots that fit most drill presses. While it's not meant for high-precision work, the vise effectively holds workpieces for standard drilling tasks. Just remember to maintain it properly, as some users report potential rusting issues. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.